Okay guys, as promised, here is your fuel pump assembly, I would say, and this piece is what we're gonna be changing today. There's your fuel pump inside. So what happens is, as you put gas in your car, this goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. It's a potentiometer. So with this, it has a reading. If you can see, there's a strip here. So as you add gas, it goes up and up and up, and this takes the reading to your fuel gauge at the front. So what happens is this strip wears out, or this piece wears out, and it no longer reads the fuel on the front, and the car interprets that the car has less than 10% of the fuel, depending on that reading from here. So again, what I'm gonna do is what you just do is clip this on off. It's an easy change, pretty much. So you take this one off, push this one off. There's a connector up here. Take off that connector and just install the new one, and I'll show you when I'm putting the new one back.